Meh. So, I've been working on this Toyota. Classic Toyota problems. All the classic Toyota problems. But this one is by far the worst. This is the worst one I've seen. Um, this is the first one that I don't know how to, without taking the cab off and the box off and the engine and tranny and transfer case. I don't know how to get this one. I don't know how to do this. See, the problem is I can't jack it up. I can't put it on the 2-post hoist because the frame is so soft that it just disintegrates. And I can't jack it up from the back. I was trying to jack it up from the back, but the middle's so soft that it starts to fold up like a cheap tent. And I can't jack it up at the front. And yeah, I'm frustrated. I got a lot of hours into this. I made new frame rails, cab mounts, but I overlooked the fact that it's literally so soft you can't jack it up. Like, I just don't know how to. I don't know how to get this damn thing off the ground. Like, it'll sit on its wheels, but like every time I touch it, more pack rust sort of comes out and less truck is there. It's stressing me out big time. I haven't been beat by one of these yet. But I don't know how to do it. Like, I just don't know how to support. So under here, like, I don't know how to support everything so that I can cut these members out, because that's got to go. And then there's nothing that holds the back. Oh, this middle support, but it has to go as well. And that leaf spring perch and cab mount. Oh, and box mount. So without stripping this truck down, I don't know what to. Yeah. I've been fighting this for like, oh shit, 3 hours now, trying to jack it up off the ground. And I've tried jacking off the pinch welds. But there's no way that I can lift it all up together without it wanting to come apart. Oh, man. I feel bad. Like, you get sort of, I don't know. You get committed in your mind that you want to achieve this goal, right? And then as well, you tell somebody, hey, I can achieve this goal. But like, when this came in, it was supposed to be a hole about this big. And it's turned out that like 90% of the frame is rotten. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Oh, I don't know. I got to think about this one, but I might be beat. I've been told that you can't save them all, and unfortunately, this might be one of them. I'm gonna ask a couple of buddies of mine their opinions, but I don't know. I just don't know how to do this. I don't know how to jack it up, hold everything, literally without taking this whole truck apart. Like, without taking the whole thing apart, it just can't be. can't be done. This one's just a little too rotten. Okay, well, I don't know. I gotta sit and think about this, but yeah, this is sort of sucks. Like, yeah, yeah. So that's where I'm at with this Toyota. I built all these sexy parts, all these guys, but the truck's too rotten to lift it to put them on. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm stumped on it. I've never been stumped. Normally, well, if you know me, you know I usually got something to say. But shit, I don't know what to do with it. Bugger.